Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by unplugging the keyboard and removing every keycap. This reveals screws and switch tops you must see. Once done, photograph the cable routing and plate orientation so you can reverse it later. Next, remove the visible external screws and pry the housing at designated seams. Use gentle, even pressure to avoid clips breaking. Make sure to keep screws organized by size. At this point, the PCB or plate should be exposed and ready for the next set of actions. Once the housing is open, disconnect the USB cable and any internal ribbon or daughterboard connectors so you can move the PCB freely. Then unscrew the standoffs or carefully peel adhesive attaching the PCB to the plate. Lift the PCB slightly to access switch tops. If you have hot swap sockets, gently pull the switches now. If switches are soldered, desolder each joint methodically. Heat, remove solder, and pull switches out. Make sure to support the plate as you remove components to avoid bending it. With switches removed or disconnected, lift the plate evenly from one edge while supporting the opposite side to prevent torsion. Use a plastic spudger on any stubborn clips and avoid levering against switches. Once free, clean foam or debris from mounting surfaces and inspect stabilizers for damage. Straighten any bent switch pins or solder joints before reassembly. Reinstall in reverse order, reconnecting cables and testing switches as you go. If a switch fails, check solder joints or replace the switch. That's the key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.